Hi, this is Dan Davies with AbleLink Smart Living Technologies with another 4-minute tutorial on AbleLink WayFinder. Today we're going to focus on two features, route preview and downloading routes that have been modified in the Smart Route library. So let's get started. To access Route Builder in WayFinder, tap and hold the pin at the top of the page. This takes you to the route list page, which shows all the routes that you have downloaded onto your device. To fully experience a travel route in WayFinder, you have to be at the starting location of the route, select the route from the main menu, and then travel all the locations on the route to see the pictures and hear the audio instructions that are presented as the individual travels. It can be very beneficial, however, to review a route without having to actually travel the route. We've provided a preview feature specifically for that purpose. For example, I'll select Trip to Work at Carnegie Commons, and now select the Preview button. This shows what the end user will see as they travel this route. They'll see the pictures and they'll hear the audio messages that provide instructions. Now, to simulate traveling the route, after each waypoint, about 2 seconds will elapse before the next waypoint. When bus G2 arrives, the red bus, get on the bus and take a seat. You're now passing by the King parking garage. This is Idlewood Station. This is not your stop. Stay on the bus. Your bus stop is coming up. Check around your seat and make sure you have everything in your backpack. Get ready to go. Now pull the cord to tell the driver that you want to stop. Great, you made it to work. Your office is across the street. Preview is useful for reviewing the pictures and the audio instructions that will be presented to the traveler as they travel the route. If you wish to make changes to the route, you simply select it and click the Edit button. This is how a route is edited on the WayFinder device. We'll go into more detail about how to edit a route in another session. Another thing useful to know, if you downloaded a route from an online route library and later make changes to that route and have to download it again, please note that you first need to delete that route off of your WayFinder device before you can download that route again. For example, my route, Trip to Work at Carnegie Commons, was downloaded from our Smart Route library. If I go up to download that route again, you'll see it's here listed in the library. The download button is grayed out. I can't download it until I delete it off my device. So if I have made changes to the route in the online Route Builder application, I delete it from my local device, and now I can go back up to the library, select the category it's in, and select that route, and now the download button is available. So I can re-download the updated route to my device. Another important thing to keep in mind is before you create a new route with WayFinder, you'll want to make sure that there is sufficient GPS connectivity before you begin creating the route and capturing the route locations. The top of the Route Builder page shows an icon that indicates whether there is good GPS strength. This icon is showing good GPS strength at this time. If that icon has a red circle with a line through it, like a no symbol over the icon, don't create a new route at that time. Wait until you have good GPS connectivity. So that's a quick summary of some of the Route Builder features in the WayFinder app. If you have any questions about any of these, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@ablelinctech.com.